The clamshell set is your recip saw's rear handle and housing. It consists of both halves of the housing. The most common issue with the clamshell set is damage caused by accidentally dropping the saw. The housings can be cracked or the screw mounting posts broken off. Replacing the clamshell set is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the screws that secure the two halves of the clamshell together. Now I can begin installing the new clamshell. I'll separate the two halves and install the side with the switch first. I align the posts with the motor housing. Then I'll place the switch into the housings. Remember to install the lockout lever. Tuck all of the wires out of the way, and now I can install the second half of the housing. Looks like everything fits right. Now we can go ahead and resecure it with the screws. You'll notice that the screw at the very back of the handle is slightly smaller from the rest of the screws. I'll go ahead and install it first. And I'll replace the remainder of the screws. And that's all it takes to install a new clamshell set on your recip saw.